Have you ever driven past those giant, graceful windmills spinning slowly in the wind and wondered how something so slow can create so much power? It seems almost magical, right? Well, today, we are going to demystify these gentle giants and explore how they're shaping the future of energy, especially in South Asia. Stick around, because the numbers we are about to share are absolutely mind-blowing. So, how does it all work? It starts with the wind, of course. When wind pushes against the massive blades, it causes them to rotate. This rotation is actually quite slow, maybe around 15 to 20 revolutions per minute. This slow, powerful turn is what we call torque. The blades are connected to a low-speed shaft, which then leads to the heart of the operation, the gearbox. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Think of the gearbox like the gears on a bicycle. When you're going uphill, you use a low gear for more power but less speed. When you're speeding downhill, you shift to a high gear. The wind turbine's gearbox does something similar but in reverse. It takes the slow, powerful rotation of the low-speed shaft and converts it into an incredibly fast rotation on a high-speed shaft. We are talking about taking that leisurely 20 revolutions per minute and cranking it up to over 1,500 revolutions per minute. This super-fast rotation is exactly what the generator needs. The high-speed shaft spins the generator, which uses magnets and copper coils to convert that mechanical energy into electricity, ready to power our homes and cities. Now, let's talk about the cost of setting up these impressive structures. It varies quite a bit depending on the region. In India, the cost to install 1 megawatt of wind power is typically between 4 to 5 crore rupees. Over in Pakistan, the cost for the same 1 megawatt capacity is around 1.1 to 1.3 million US dollars. These figures might seem high, but when you consider the long-term benefits of clean, renewable energy, it's an investment in a sustainable future. Unlike traditional power plants that constantly need fuel, the wind is free. Once the turbine is up and running, the operational costs are relatively low. So, what's the potential for wind energy in this part of the world? It's enormous. Let's start with India. Studies have shown that India has a staggering onshore wind potential of 695 gigawatts. To put that into perspective, 1 gigawatt is 1,000 megawatts. That's enough energy to power millions of homes and dramatically reduce the country's carbon footprint. The government and private companies are already tapping into this, with massive wind farms popping up in states like Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Just next door, Pakistan also has a phenomenal resource, particularly in its famous Garo-Jhimpir wind corridor in the Sindh province. This specific area alone is estimated to have the potential to generate around 50,000 megawatts of electricity. Imagine a dedicated corridor of clean energy, harnessing the consistent, strong winds blowing in from the Arabian Sea. It's a goldmine of green power just waiting to be fully utilized. This corridor is already home to several wind farms, but it has only scratched the surface of what's possible. When you look at these numbers, it's clear that wind power isn't just a supplementary energy source. It's a cornerstone of the future for South Asia. These spinning giants are more than just beautiful additions to the landscape. They are powerful symbols of progress, sustainability, and energy independence. By harnessing the simple, natural power of the wind, both India and Pakistan can pave the way for a cleaner, greener, and more prosperous future for generations to come. The potential is there, the technology is ready, and the winds of change are blowing stronger than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. See you in the next one.